Dear scholars, we have been learning a poem, Don't Give Up. Through the previous video, we came to know about the explanation or the message given in the first two stanzas of the poem, where the poet says, all the great and good things are done by the people who are patiently trying and taking efforts. To understand this much better, the poet has provided the example of young birds, right? How they learn flying. Let us see what the poet says in the next stanza, that is the third stanza of the poem. Here is that third stanza. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. The poet says that the oak, it is one of the trees. Poet says the sturdy oak. Here the word sturdy means strong. So the strong oak tree which we see, it faces many a blast of the air, many a blows, many storms, hurricanes. This oak suffers at its early life when it is not much stronger. At that time, it suffers, it faces that problem, and because of that blast of air, because of that storm, it bows many times. It gets bowed many times. But what the oak tree does, it doesn't get broken up into two pieces. It doesn't get break up into two pieces. So what it does, it bends, right? It bows, it bends. But what it does again, that is, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. But after facing that storm, the oak tree rises again, stands straight again, grows straight again, and grows loftier and prouder. Here, loftier means taller and stronger, and through this we can simply understand how after suffering the many storms, the oak tree bends and rises straight again and grows taller, stronger and prouder. The same way, or here through this stanza, the poet simply want to say, our life is also like the oak tree. It is what? We too suffer many storms. Here storms means difficulties, problems, circumstances, and in such a condition we too bows like that oak tree. But many of the times what happens, we do not rise again, and here the oak tree just does opposite to it. That is what? It rises again. So poet want to say, just like the oak tree rises after bending, the same way we too be courageous, we should be confident to rise again to overcome the difficulty or the problem we are facing. Then only we can make our life prouder, then we can make our life happy, then we can simply make everything easier. So what is it needed? That is to make up mind, that is to have courage, that is to have confidence, right? Next and last stanza. If by easy work you beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that is the test that tries you. Here, through this stanza, the poet simply says, if by easy work you beat, here you beat means you win. So poet says, if you do any easy work and you achieve the success, you win. Who the more will prize you? That is, who is there to appreciate you more? So simple work, if you are doing and achieving success in it, no one will appreciate you more. No one will prize you more. But if you are gaining victory, you are achieving winning from defeat, that is the taste that tries you. So here the poet says, if you have taken any difficult task, definitely you are going to fall, definitely you are going to have failure, definitely you are going to find yourself in some of the difficulties and problems. But if such a task you are doing and after the failures, after the defeat, you are thinking that what made you lost, so it means you are improving yourself. So after the defeat, if you are learning something about your difficulties, if you are finding solution, it means you are gaining victory in such a cases too. And so the poet says, gaining victory from defeat, that is the test that tries you, and that is the point where you prove yourself how struggling, how hardworking, how patient you are, right? So through the examples of young bird, how they learn flying, through the example of that sturdy oak, how it bends and rises and becomes loftier and prouder, poets simply want to say that we will face many things in our life, but we should have that mindset, we should have positive attitude, that is what, not to give up ever, that is not to lose heart and not to stop trying. Simply, the message of this poem is that it is about life only. Our life is full of goodness and badness, happiness and sadness, ups and downs, right? Any condition, in any condition, we should not give up. We should fight every situation stubbornly, becoming brave, courageous, confident. We should be facing all the things which are getting in our life, and if we are there to improve, if we are there to learn through each bad situation, if we are there to learn through each failure, it means we are there to make our life happier and happier, right? So in this way, this is the poem giving us message that how one person can stand, can rise again after facing the failures, problems and difficulties. I hope you all would have understood the second and third stanzas as well as the important message of this poem. So this motivational poem is written by poetess Phoebe Carey. So how motivational this poem is, or what a great message the poetess has given, that we understood, that we learned through this poem. So one must be following the same approach in his or her life.